Hey guys, it's Crystal and I am back again today to do a review on my collection of Kilian fragrances. I don't know what's happened. We have formed a love affair. We need to break up. He needs to be canceled for me and we need to go our separate ways. Kilian's making me broke. Like, Kilian's taking all my money. Kilian is doing the most for me. Me and him need to break up. In all seriousness, I will go over what I have in my collection, some of the top notes, some information that you can know about these fragrances, where to get them, etc. If you like videos like this, please do remember to thumbs up the videos. That lets me know you like what you're seeing, as well as remember to subscribe to my channel down below by clicking the red button. That will keep you up to date with anything I go ahead and post going forward. No more long talking, let's get into my Kilian collection. The first ones I'm going to speak about in no particular order is Love Don't Be Shy. Okay, if you want to smell sweet, like cake, like marshmallow, just like a sweet dessert, a feminine baddie, a girl that's lighthearted, that is carefree, charismatic, Love Don't Be Shy. Okay, this is neroli, pink pepper, orange blossom, jasmine, there's rose, there's vanilla. She is sweet, she projects. It's very feminine. I would say it lasts between 6 to 8 hours. I do walk with my vow because I want to smell myself. So I reapply throughout the day because I want to smell this sugar sweetness. She is beautiful. It's rumored that Rihanna signature fragrance, don't know how if that's the truth at this point. She probably done onto some, gold, fountain of goldness by now. It's not a safe blind buy because it is very sweet, and depending on your taste, I would say it is something to sort of test out on your skin, see how it plays with you, see if you can tolerate the sweet. One of my faves, not only because of the scent but the bottle, is Rolling in Love. I'm wearing it today. I'm in love with myself. I'm feeling myself. The packaging is everything. The red and the gold. This is looking like royalty up in here. This is almond milk, ambrette. There's iris, so it has like a slight powdery vibe. Slight. Not like heavy. Not granny heavy or nothing. No offense to the grannies, but it's not like that. It's just light. There's freesia, which gives it like some oomph, like it gives it a little bang, like a little pop, something like that. Vanilla, tonka, and there's definitely some musk because, boy, first of all, musk is like an aphrodisiac, I believe. I hope I'm saying that right. I hope that's a fact. But there's something about musk that men love, okay? The opposite sex generally loves musk. There's something about it that's alluring. When I wear this, compliments. And then I gotta be like, well, what you wearing? Rolling in Love. I'm so cheesy, but this is feminine. However, any boss can wear this. Like, because I know on a man's chemistry it will play different than a woman's chemistry. So I can see, I've heard men wear this, so definitely I could see it though. Like, although it leans more on the feminine side, I can definitely see with a man's body chemistry and a dude that's like swaggy, I could definitely see a guy pulling this off and he would just smell sweet. Like, it would be bomb. I could actually see it. I could picture it. Rolling in Love. Okay, this is one to get your hands on. I think this is one of the best in the collection personally, that I've smelled. I find it unique in a way. It does have a slightly like lactonic, like milky vibe, but it's more creamy than not, I would say. But this, I love her. Me and her. Alrighty. First of all, these bottles are bomb. Now, I don't like how some of them are the same color, but this is bomb, first of all. This is Intoxicated. Intoxicated. When I say Intoxicated, now first of all, I didn't mention what season the other ones could go in, although I do feel like those ones are flexible. They can be spring, summer, winter. This now, I'm not gonna lie, this is winter and fall. This is cold weather goodness. Okay, Intoxicating is its name because there's something about it that is intoxicating. It's like cardamom, coffee, nutmeg, there's some cinnamon, a dash. Like, what? It's unisex, but I would actually say this leans more on the masculine side. Now, definitely as a woman, you could pull it off. You can be a baddie. Matter of fact, you can mix one of these little sweet ones in with it, because then it just gives it a different vibe. Like, I'm telling you right now, this is nice. And on a man, yo, I don't even want to know what this smells like on a man. Like, if I smelled this on a man, I'd probably chase him. First of all, if you're debating it and you got a boo, you could just say, yo, I bought this for us, okay? Like, because both you could wear it. It would be cool. This is nice. This is nice. There's just something about it. And first of all, the longevity, don't get me started. That first of all, you put it on, it's on for you for the day. So just don't even think about changing your mind. It lasts easily 12 plus hours on my skin, personally. All day, every day, it's still booming. I don't even think about reapplying it, and I love reapplying because I love smelling it myself. So Intoxicated, just like what the name states, very intoxicating. This is a new one to the thing, and yes, I know, again, don't we have a white bottle? And you show a white bottle, Crystal? I feel like they should have a different color bottle for every single perfume, personally. I don't see why we'd be sticking with this white theme, but whatever, nonetheless. This is Forbidden Games. Now, first of all, Kilian ain't playing with these names, because they make me feel so seductive, so sexy, so sultry. Like, the big money you're spending on these things, it feels like luxury, it sounds like luxury, it smells like luxury. Like, it is. Like, we done. I told you, this love affair's got to end. This is more on the fruity side, but there's something, like, often it's hard to do a fruity scent and make it sexy and make it seductive and alluring, because it's just fruity. And sometimes fruity can go in the way of being juvenile. However, this, she bad. This is peach, apple, plum. There's some Bulgarian rose up in here, jasmine. There's a sweet thing of honey. I can almost taste it. There's vanilla. Like, she's bad. Like, I was reading reviews where people say there's no long that it doesn't last long on the skin, but I don't have that problem. Like, definitely, I wore it to work a couple days ago and booming. Like, I reapplied because I like to, but booming. Like, I had no issues with that. This is everything. I don't know why people don't really talk about it a little bit more than some of the other offerings of the house, but I really like this, especially as it gets warmer into the spring and summer. Like, I feel like this is going to be on my radar heavy. She gonna get that work. One of the last ones I have in our love affair collection is Angel's Share. Okay, this was hyped up last year, late last year, hype train, for good reason. It is very unique. First of all, the bottle is gorgeous. It looks like a bottle of, or a glass of whiskey. The color is amazing. I told you, anytime I see some brown juice, I am excited. It's got some melanin up in it. This is cognac, cinnamon, there's tonka. It feels like it's like the bottom of an oak barrel. Sandalwood, vanilla, very unisex. I can see this for sure on a man. It's definitely beautiful on a woman. You do have to like cinnamon. You do have to be okay with a boozy scent, because it's boozy. I'm not gonna say it doesn't smell like you fell out of a bar, but it definitely has a boozy accord, but it's beautiful. It performs like what? In the winter and the fall. Right now, she gonna be put down a little bit. Don't think this is a safe blind buy. I did blind buy it though, but I don't personally think it's a safe blind buy, because unless you like boozy scents and you're good with the vanilla and the praline and all that, you might have to give it a whirl. They are pricey, so they range between 200 and I believe it's $260 upwards to $310. That's Canadian. Typically, if you're buying it here in Canada, it's mainly sold at Holt Renfrew. However, Sephora does also sell it only online, so you can't really get it in store. Also, insider tip, because the Sephora sale's on, if you're VIB or VIP or whichever, you can get a discount on the website. So that's also a good time to take advantage of any higher end perfumes to get that little discount, okay? The packaging, as you can see, is beautiful, very well made. Between the gold, even on the cap, it has the signature K. The word, the title and everything is embossed. It's not like just a little lame sticker. It's made out of glass. They are refillable, so when your fragrance does finish, you can go ahead and just buy the little refills. They sell them in like a little package. But yes, it's very high end. Initially, I was never really on the Kilian. My friend had mentioned it to me, and I was like, I don't know. When I smelled the 1-2 scents, I was like, I don't know. But I think my nose has matured, and as I've gotten into niche fragrances, my palette has definitely opened up. And as you can see, I have fallen in love, and my pockets have fallen in hate. So we be spending. Generally, I can't speak for where they're sold in America or Europe or other parts of the world, because I don't know, but I'm pretty sure a simple Google can help you with that information. However, I'm falling in love with the house. I'm debating 1 or 2 other scents. I'm not sure. However, beautiful scents. I definitely will say they are expensive, but they are worth it, as you can see, because I keep purchasing them. I really like them, very unique. They're not beast mode by any means. If you're into beast mode fragrances, you probably will not be that impressed by Kilian. However, if you like longevity, you like some uniqueness, you do like pretty beautiful scents, I would say Kilian is definitely worth giving a try. So, I have gone over my love affair currently. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave that down below. If you have any comments, let me know what's your favorite Kilian scent, or what you got on your radar in terms of Kilian or any other niche houses. Thank you once again for watching. I hope that you're staying safe in these times, and I hope that you have a good day as well. Thank you. Bye.